Lions and hyenas are natural enemies that share the same range across sub-Saharan Africa. These mammals are both ferocious predators and live in packs. Since these animals have something in common with each other, it is important to ask, who would win in a lion versus hyena fight? While we can look to the observed events of hunting between the two for easy answers, we can also take a scientific approach to answering this question. Lion versus hyena, size. Hyenas are roughly the size of a large, domestic dog. They can weigh up to 190 pounds, stand 3 feet tall at the shoulder, and grow up to 5 feet tall. It is quite large for a pack hunter, but smaller than a full-grown lion. Lions weigh over 500 pounds, grow up to 4 feet long, and grow over 8 feet tall. The largest lion recorded in the wild weighed 690 pounds, and captive lions exceeded 800 pounds. Although prehistoric hyenas weighed more than 300 pounds, today they are significantly smaller than lions. Lions easily have an advantage for size. Being able to attack, retreat, and efficiently reach maximum speed is important in combat. Hyenas are fast, running at speeds of up to 40 miles per hour. Lions run similarly, but they can reach a top speed of 50 miles per hour for a much shorter time. Lions have the advantage in terms of speed and mobility. Lions are powerful animals, but they don't have the strongest bite. They bite with 650 psi, other estimates claim 1000 psi, and they have 4-inch canine teeth that can bite deeply into animals. Hyenas have the strongest bite in the animal kingdom, over 1100 psi. Their teeth are long and conical, perfect for breaking bones. Hyenas have the ability to bite raw, but lions have very large teeth, so this is a tie. Lions are made to hunt other animals, so their senses are highly tuned to this purpose. Their night vision is amazing. Their sense of smell is good, and their hearing can hear prey from miles away. Hyenas are very similar in that they have excellent eyesight and hearing and are able to sense prey from a distance. But their sense of smell is better than lions. Hyenas have sensory advantages. A creature's physical defenses will keep them alive longer in battle. Lions are huge, muscle-bound animals with great strength to fight. They also tend to live in packs that are nearly impossible to cross. The lions also have the pace to keep them safe. Hyenas are also pack animals that live in large groups, outnumbering even lions. They are large for terrestrial predators, but they are not larger than other animals that roam the savanna. Their speed and agility are also strong defenses. Still, the lions have the better defense overall. Having a big, strong body is great, but it can only benefit an animal that knows how to fight. Notice the aggressive power and predatory instincts of lions and hyenas. Lions have plenty of offensive weapons as solo fighters. Their claws are long and sharp, capable of tearing apart small, weak animals. They have huge teeth, a powerful bite, and a mouth opening wide enough to wrap around most prey's vital areas of the head and neck. Hyenas primarily use their bite to inflict damage, but they also make good use of their speed to launch attacks. Above all, though, the lions have a good arsenal that they use to greater effect. Both hyenas and lions are predators. Lions are ambush predators in some areas and tolerant predators in others. Sometimes they partner with members of their pack, and other times they hunt alone. They are very adaptable animals. Hyenas are essentially animals that hunt like wolves, using their speed and endurance to defeat enemies while striking from multiple directions. Lions are more efficient hunters, so they get approval for predatory behavior.